Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investment. It's Friday, June the 11th, World Cup Day. Wishing you all a great World Cup. We're voting for Greece. You may be voting for your own team. Until then, let's talk about the news. Just one, typical for a Friday in the summer, slow news cycle day, but quality over quantity, that's what counts. ChinaBiotics is what we got. NASDAQ, CHBT, they announced that they've reported record quarterly and annual revenue growth. This for the period ended March 31st, 2010. If you don't know the company, there's a developer, manufacturer, and distributor of probiotics products in China, and they've been on this show before. They gave us both the quarterly and annual numbers. I'm going to give you the annual numbers. Net revenue up 50% to $81.4 million. Big number there. Operating income rose 62% to $35.3 million. Huge number there. Now, typically we don't talk about non-GAAP numbers. I don't like talking about non-GAAP, but in this case, the company had a non-cash one-time charge that was related to the change in the fair value of their convertible bond. So it wasn't even an operating item of any kind, such as maybe giving out stock options or stock compensation, things like that. So I thought it would be great for you to know that their non-GAAP net income was $27.8 million for the year. That translated to $1.28 earnings per share. On a GAAP basis, total earnings were $15.6 million or 80 cents per diluted share. So still great numbers, but if you look at that, difference, you may want to take into account the non-GAAP numbers because it is a non-operational one-time charge, and that may affect your due diligence on the company. What I also liked about it, free cash flow, $14.4 million for the year. Gotta love these companies out of China that are generating cash. Closed yesterday, $15.50. 52-week high, 1974. 52-week low, $9.25. Great news out of them. As always, that's a wrap. Quality over quantity. If you're looking for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies, get up to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. 3 things you can do there. 1, watch the show on a daily basis or through our syndication partners at iTunes, YouTube, Google Video, you name it. 2, take a look at the best press releases of the day, and over the past few days, we're tracking the news out of 250 to 300 of what we think are the best small mid-cap companies listed, Chinese small mid-cap companies listed on North American exchanges. And 3, get yourself into the directory. You can sort that list by industry and or exchange, so you can filter it down and quickly get the one that best suits your portfolio. You got succinct descriptions of each, so you can quickly go find out information about that company. Otherwise, have a fantastic weekend. That's a wrap. See you on Monday.